The stretchability of 100% polyester, a deep dive.
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of fabrics, specifically focusing on 100% polyester. We'll answer a common question: just how much stretch can you expect from clothing made of this material? Let's find out.
What is 100% polyester?
To start with, let's understand what polyester is. Polyester is a category of polymers that contains the ester functional group in its main chain. As a specific material, it most commonly refers to a type called polyethylene terephthalate, PET. Polyester is a durable, synthetic fabric with excellent resilience. That means it has a high ability to return to its original shape after stretching.
Does 100% polyester stretch?
Here comes the main question: does 100% polyester stretch? The short answer is, not really. Polyester is generally known for being quite resistant to stretching and shrinking. This material doesn't loosen up as much as others, like cotton or wool, would. However, the exact amount of stretch can depend on several factors, including the weave or knit of the fabric and whether or not the polyester has been blended with other fabrics. Yet, if we're talking strictly about 100% polyester, it's safe to say that it doesn't provide much stretch at all.
Can you make 100% polyester stretchy?
This leads us to the next question: can we make 100% polyester stretchy? Interestingly, yes, we can, with the help of special manufacturing processes. When woven or knitted in a certain way, or when manufactured as a specific type of yarn, polyester can become stretchy. One of the most popular methods is producing polyester spandex blends. Spandex, also known as elastane, is a synthetic fabric known for its exceptional elasticity. While these blends do not remain 100% polyester, they retain the durability of polyester while adding the stretchability of spandex. In conclusion, 100% polyester fabric is generally not known for its stretchability. However, with specific manufacturing processes or by blending with other materials, it can gain some stretch. We hope you found this information helpful and that it will guide you in your future fabric choices. Remember, the key to a comfortable fit isn't just the type of material, but also how it's used and designed. Thank you for watching.